Welcome to my sketching poses tutorial. We will explore some character poses and lines of action. This is a part of the sketching challenge with a specific drawing schedule, so I recommend going to my Patreon and check it out. It's completely free and you won't be confused by some notes about days in this tutorial. Each pose we will draw in 2 steps, 2 layers. First, just a rough guideline and next the final sketch. For this tutorial, I have a little helper here. I will add eyes and smile. And these lines to show you the volume and the thickness while moving even better. Well, this is softy. And here are some lines. Hope it helps you better understand some of the poses, the movement, and what happens with the character. Let's get started. We will start with a basic still position, but we will make it naturally right away. So there won't be a symmetry or a perfect shape. I went into more details on my Patreon, so if you want to go deeper, check it out first. Start with the middle line and 2 horizontal lines as a guideline. Now draw the very rough shape of your pillow. Tap on the N here and lower the opacity. Create a new layer above and draw your sketch. Be more precise, but it doesn't need to be perfect. Keep your drawing a bit loose and use a few shorter strokes rather than one stiff line. This is just a practice to get some skills and confidence. Feel free to erase or change your sketch at any point. And draw a face. Now we will try a bit of action, something like jumping, for example. So here is a line of action, and you can also see how these lines are moving. And the entire shape is a bit different. Here are some folds. So draw a middle line of action here. And those guidelines. Lower the opacity and create a new layer. And sketch your pillow following this movement. When we stretch to one side, the opposite side will be squeezed, so there should be some kind of folds. Play with those corners, they should be consistent with the overall movement. The same goes for the face. I keep these pillows here to see all the poses. So now we turn the pillow to the side, so this part should be visible. And the middle line won't be in the middle, but more on the side. So draw a middle line, make a cross, and also the edges. Here you can indicate the angle of the position. Draw the side part, it should be more visible. Lower the opacity and create a new layer. Draw the pillow. Keep in mind that the face should be a bit on one side. Now jumping again, but with the rotation to the left. So it would look like that. The corners will be more visible and this one less. Also pay attention to this side and a line of action. So draw the guideline and also the edges. And those folds here. Maybe rather like that. When you are happy with the rough sketch, lower opacity. Create a new layer and draw the pillow. Follow your guideline, but feel free to change the sketch if you feel it's right. If you have fun so far, subscribe to my channel for more drawing tutorials. I want to fix this part. Now we stretch the pillow, but you should keep the same volume. Sketch your guideline first. Lower the opacity and create a new layer for the final sketch. Don't forget also stretch the face. And last one, here you squeeze your pillow. Here is the same, you can squeeze the character, but you should keep the volume. So draw the middle line and the cross much wider. On one side, the pillow will be bent in an arc, and on the other side, it needs to be pushed with folds. And it can be bent slightly forward, so pay attention to the angle. Lower the opacity, create a new layer. Make this folding strong. The more you squeeze the pillow, the stronger the folds will be. Pay attention also to the corners. And the face should follow the angle of the bend. On a Sunday, you should repeat all those poses. And that's it, you finished the level 1 for the pillow character. If you want to try another 6 and more challenging poses, or even poses with the magical carpet, join me on my Patreon. Here you can also find practice sheets for all poses with 3 steps in opposite direction as well, with useful tips to keep it all handy. Link is below the video. Next week, sketching poses with the bear and then the mermaid. Join me on my Patreon for more drawing and sketching tutorials, Procreate and drawing tips and tricks, process videos from my work as a picture book illustrator, and much more. See you around!